Right. Alexa, lounge one off.
Okay.
Right, good morning, guys. So we are back in again. If you can look at my account, obviously it's up because I traded yesterday. I did a couple of trades this morning that one came through, one didn't. But if we look at my closed trades, you can see from here that was this morning. This was yesterday. 1 1 1, pretty much 1 1 1 1. Yes, we did pretty well yesterday, and as you can see, that's reflected in my account balance. I'm up at 944 now, so we're well on our way. We're just going to have a look and see what's happening. And go from there really. Let's have a look and see. So I think there's going to be news coming up shortly. Let's have a look. Yeah, 9 o'clock. So I'm going to hang tight for that. I'm not going to be on too long today purely because I've got my radio show to do at 10. So we're going to see what happens in the meantime. And like I said, guys, if you actually want to do this, you want to learn how to do what I do, then you do need to sign up to the Pocket Options and just send an email to myself with a screenshot showing that. If you look in the description, it'll tell you what to do. But like I said, to do what I do, it's not something that comes overnight. I can show you how I do it and what I look at, which you're not seeing when you're watching it now. It's a good way of making a little bit of extra cash, but you need to know what you're doing, otherwise you won't make cash, you'll lose cash. So let's see how we go with this. I'm just going to see if there's anything remotely worth taking right now. To be honest, I'm probably going to wait for another 7 minutes to see what happens with the news. Let's look. Yes, I'm actually going to go with a $5 trade right now on the CHF JPY. Now I'm going to increase this because I want to see what happens with the news. But let's just see how we go with this one. For me, this looks like it's at a good spot. Ultimately, it's probably going to go down, but with the news coming, it might push it up, and that's why I've gone in small. If it doesn't come through, it's no big deal. It's when people do big trades on small accounts and it doesn't come through that they end up losing. Because a lot of the time, you know, see what I mean, it's gone down this way. Yeah, I'm going to take that again. Oh, wait. 9 minutes. Oh, hold on. I want to go down a bit more. And a little bit more. Now. Okay. Yeah. Keeping it real right there. Let's have a look. It's still. So what I'm going to look to aim to do now is, with the fact that the news is coming, I'm going to try and recover this trade. So I'm just turning this back down to 5. But we're going to just wait and see. Like I said, it's still pretty good. I'm going to have a look and see what happens. But ultimately, your strategies, whatever they may be, they will work for a little while. And it's when people think, oh yes, they're foolproof, that they go in and they find they're going big, and then the strategies don't work, and then they end up losing and blowing their account because they can't see that it's not working. This is why I go in small, because there's going to be days when it doesn't work, which is why I said that my account fluctuates. My final trade, I think, I'm not going to trade any more on this unless it goes up, is because look, it's 74% now. This, when I took it, was 82. I don't like, I'm sticking to my criteria here. Unless it's more than 74%, I'm not going to take it going up again. I will, however, attempt to take it going down if and when it comes up past my entry points. But let's see. And let's see how long we've got on this. And this is called reversal, because that's what I'm doing. I'm reverse trading. What's that? 3 minutes. Oh, 3 minutes to go. Okay, that's good. 3 minutes to go. Yeah, let's see what happens. Alright, so I'm just going to just take a look on this to see if it's likely to go down any further. I don't know. To be honest, it's at a bounce point. It's definitely at a bounce point. I'm very tempted, even though I said I wasn't going to do it, I'm very tempted because I think it's going to go up. Now, unless it drops down substantially, I'm not doing it, because even though it's at a bounce point right now, it's coming to a point which I would say is a support line. Should reverse back up. It will be too close to this previous trade, so I'd rather not take it. Let's aim, in fact, what we're going to do, let's just sit tight 2 minutes. Let's see what happens, because it'll be interesting to see what the result is of the news. Alright, I want this one. I want to come back down on this one. So let's just hang tight for a moment. Something will happen here when the news hits. It will either shoot down more or it will start flying up. If it shoots down more, I won't be trading because of the percentage that you are looking to get. If it doesn't shoot down more and goes up, well then we're laughing. Let's see, is it going to go up before the 5 minutes are up? Yes. Alright, coming up a bit more. I want it up here somewhere. Right. Okay, hold on. No, it's just taking its time. Where are we with this? 30 seconds. Let's see what happens with 30 seconds. Alright, I'm going to try and get that in. Come on, hurry up. Oh well, 6 seconds. Let's see what happens here. Now, it's a moment of truth. Which way are we going to go? Alright, so we've taken one down because they changed the payout again. So now I'm not really bothered whether this one comes through or not. I was just trying to recover it because it could dip down again, but it may not necessarily. It might stop in between here. So I've recovered that first $5 trade. But let's see. Now we'll go to $10 just in case, but I'm not looking at taking it down right now. Don't need to, no need. Again, it's all about maximum gain, minimum loss. No, I think that'll go back up. If it comes down further, I will take it. In fact, you know what? That's going to be a $20 on M2. Not yet. Needs to go up further. In fact, I'm going to reset the timer on this. Just in case. If it comes back down now, there's one more point that I'll take it, and that's purely because it's got to a point where it's definitely going to go back up, in my opinion, and the payout's good. So that is what I'm interested in. Okay, not yet, not yet. Yeah, see, it's at a bounce point. I don't really want to take it down at the moment. Even though I could potentially do that, I don't really want to. I don't fancy doing that because I think the $10 will come through. And if it doesn't, I'm ready to go in again. A bit further down, a bit further down. Yeah, further down. A bit further down. Okay, maybe not. You know what? How about we switch to 1 minute? No, I'm not going to do it. I was going to, I've changed my mind. Let's go back to 10. A little bit more down. Okay, maybe not. Let's see what happens. What's the time? Good. I expect it to be going up right now. And if it doesn't go up now, it might drop down and go up after my timer runs out, which is always typical. See what I mean? Right, yeah. Oh, it might get it in. No, okay, so we're looking at taking this up again, 10 minutes. I'm just waiting for it to go down a little bit further. Kinda, yeah, pretty much like now. Oh, let's change to 80%. So now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to bounce up, which it should do. I don't think it's going to go down too much further because it's come to basically a bounce point, and see what happens. And let's see what the news is saying. When is the news? When is the news? Let's look and see. Another 25 minutes. So now if it starts to go down further, I'm not going to take any more tradings on this. What I am looking to do, to be honest, is to take a trade going down now once it comes up to about here. So let me put that in there. Horizontal line. If and when it comes up to here and my trade is still functioning, I'll look to take it down. But I'm not taking any more up because I've seen this before and it can go all the way down. And what I don't want to do is continuously put in trades in the upward direction when in fact today the strategy isn't working. So this is where you need to recognize, yes, it's working for you, or no, it isn't. And if it's not working, then it's time to get out of the markets. Yeah, because it's heading down. There is another point. You can come in if you want. You can come in if you like. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's facing you. Yeah, I won't see you. I would have stood up if I were you, because it's at my eye level. Okay, so this is now pretty strange behaviour. Oh, just walked by. Yeah. Right, okay. Let's see what's going on here. I have a feeling, a sneaky feeling, this is going to go down further. So I need this to come back up because I want to take it down again. But I need it to get back up here. So let us keep focused on this, because if I'm able to get in another trade now, then I'll look to take another trade going up. But I need to try and recover this trade now, because it's not going exactly the way I thought it would. So here we go. It's taking its time though, trust me. It's proper taking its time. I would expect it to be hurrying up now, but doesn't seem to be doing that. Oh yes, right, okay. Let's sit tight with this. Yeah, so it's just blown past the bounce point, but it might bounce up. To be honest, there's another point coming up, and that I'm pretty confident with, so we want to get rid of this one if we can. I need this to come back down again in a moment after it's gone up, but let's see. And there's a reason I'm not taking it down right now, and that's because there's no guarantee. If you start taking trades down now, when the timer runs out, it might finish in between the two trades, so I need it to overlap for that to work. We want to kind of make sure we are ready. Yeah, there's a lot of momentum going down right now. In fact, we might have to reset this timer, because it's getting to that point. It's not there yet, but it's getting to that point where I'll be quite happy to take it up. And this is where sometimes you've just got to take the hit. If you start trying to go in to recover because you're panicking because you've gone in too big, this is where you start to blow your account. Right, let's see when this next news is. Is it coming anytime soon? 18 minutes. Right. Seems to be taking ages. Well, my main goal at the moment is to try and recover the first trade, and then perhaps go into a different currency if it continues going upwards. We'll see. It might actually go up now. This is a resistance area right there. Doesn't seem to want to go up any further. Let's put in another horizontal line. If it blows past this, the likelihood is it's going to come up and get to this point here and come back down. So let us be prepared for that, just in case. We might get it in a nick of time. You never know. Then again, maybe not. Nah, it's not going to happen. Now, usually I would go up right now, but I'm not going to. I'm going to just leave it, because it's struggling to go up there, and it could bounce all the way down past these two areas here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to forget that trade. I'm going to take the hit on that one. It's no biggie. We're still in profit from where we were. So we're going to reduce this back to $5. Oh. Hold on a minute. I know this is 78%, but it's looking quite juicy. I am tempted. No, let's leave it. Let's check out another currency. Let's check it out. See, there might be something in a better position. So let's look. Aussie JPY. Otherwise, we're going to wait for the news to hit and go from there. Nah, forget that. Nothing. Aussie Canadian. Yes, Aussie Canadian. I am tempted in a moment to go down. Right now. I'm going to change this. It is extending up. Yeah, we are going to go down with this one in a moment. But I'm here, like I said, when I do my trades, I let it run, because you're going to see the losses as well as the successes, the failures as well as the successes. That's the idea. So you can get a full view on whether it works or not. And like I said, it's not a straight line to success, unfortunately. There are going to be some trades that you lose, and sometimes you have to lose to win. If that makes sense. So, yes, okay. You need to go a bit further than that. A little bit further. I'll bring this down, see where we are. Yes. It's not quite ready yet. But I took that little $5 trade just so that I wouldn't miss out, because every little bit helps. Now ultimately it's probably going to go up. So what I'm going to do, it's coming down right now, depends which direction it's going to go in, is we're going to try and double this up I just need to come down a bit more first. Okay, so yeah, we've got in 2 trades because I fully expect it to go up and net me another position for coming down in. So what I'm going to do is reset that, put this up at 10. We're going to go with a bigger trade. And the reason I went down here is, I went up here is because I actually believe it's going to blow past this and go up further and give me another opportunity up here somewhere to get in. But we're going to have to wait and see because we've got news coming up in 11 minutes. So it's all about maximum gain, minimum loss. I always keep preaching about this. I don't think it's going to finish in between both of these. I really think it's going to go up higher. And if the other currency was anything to go by, it did go in one direction, and that was following the trend. So it's likely, more than likely, to finish up here than down here. But let's see. How long we got? 10 minutes. I'm going to revert back to 10 for a minute because there's 2 points that it's likely to go back at, and I want to take one at point 1 and then one at point 2 if it goes past it. So let's see. When's the next news following that? 40 minutes after. Can't take that one because I'll be doing the radio show. So let's see. Oh, could be dropping here. I still think it's going to go up higher. Yes, we have a bit of Darth Vader. The dark side has spoken. Right, let's see. Okie dokie. A little bit more. A little bit more. Let me have a look at this. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Let's draw all over the chart, shall we? So right now, this is a point of support. Or is it here? Yeah, around here. A bit up, maybe a bit more up than that. Hey, let me. That's a point of support. So this is a point of resistance. So we've got to see where it breaks out of. Now, so we know that if it goes through here, it's going to go up to the next level. Yeah, that's going to go to the next point. If it breaks through there, I'll be taking it down. If it doesn't break through there, I'm not doing any trading. Again, if it breaks through here, I'm not taking anything at all. So it needs to break up for me to take it down. And right now, it's not doing much. Really slow moving at the minute. It needs the news to shake it up. Right, so yes, if it breaks up, if it breaks this level here, I will be looking to take a trade down. Okay, yeah, it should be breaking that level. We are looking to take trades down shortly, but it might bounce off that and finish here. It might net me 2 wins, we never know. Okay, well either way, minimum loss, maximum gain. Right, okay, so we're just going to wait now. We've got, okay, hold on, here we go. A little bit further. A little bit further for me to take this down. I need it further than that. It's probably going to come back down right now, but I need it for my own benefit. I need it down further. I need to go up further. Four minutes. Okay, we're going to take one down. Oh, missed it. Ah. I'm going to take one down now. And the news might come and decide to take us up further, but we're not going to. There we go. Right, so 10:20. We want a 9-minute. Yeah. Yeah. Not yet. It's too close to this one. I need it a bit further up, to be honest. Let's wait for the news in 3 minutes. If it goes up before then, I'll try and get in there and get a trade down. But in the meantime, because I have a feeling the news is going to kick in and it's going to drop like a rock. But for my own benefit, I kind of need it to be in certain positions. Minutes. Good. Okay, 1 minute, and then one after that is half an hour, okay. Oh, 45 seconds. Yeah, then you just could push it up to the point where I need it to go to so I can take it down, or it might just fly down now. Let's see. 20 seconds. Alright, I'm going to get ready in case it goes up to that point. Yeah. Okay, and you should have happened by now. Yeah, it's happened. Let's see what happens. Okay. I need it to go up some more. Deciding where to go by the looks of it. And to me that looks like it's going to be going up. No, it's too close. Let's do something different here. Let's go the other way. So either way, we should make a profit anyway, and if it finishes between both, it's a bonus for us. Now it may well go all the way down, but I'm not really that bothered about it now. So let's have a quick look. Let's ignore these, forget these for now, and let's have a look and see what else is worth taking. Pound Aussie. Let's see if this. Canadian. No. It's already happened. Euro USD. Oh, let's look at Euro USD. Yes, the Euro USD going down. Okay, hold a second. Right, let's see how we go with this. And as for that, 8 minutes. We're going to take 20 up as well. Just because it might well get both of those in there. We'll soon see. We just want to have maximum gain, minimum loss. That's what we're all about. Okay, so let's have a look at those closed trades there. 1 win, 1 loss. Let's have a look at the open trades. Either way, we're going to be back up at over 900, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to be calling it a day in a moment. And to be honest, I don't trust the Euro USD, which is why I have taken a trade up, because I have a funny feeling it's going to go back up again. And just in case it does, it don't matter, because I'm already in on both directions. That can stay down here. Now it may go up, and then it might, as the timer goes, it might come down and it might finish around here, netting me both trades. We'll soon see. I need it to be higher than that, to be honest, if I'm going to take it again. Now it's all about being able to play it right. So let's see. Do another trade going down in a moment. No, not yet. It's not ready yet. I need it to be higher than this. In fact, where do I need it to be? It kind of needs to be a bit higher than that. I'm looking for trades going down, but not right yet. And remember, whether you lose or win a trade, it all counts towards the overall turnover, and is every day that I'm trading is counting towards that bonus amount which I've got. So for me it's a win-win, because hopefully, or not hopefully, I should be able to execute the required turnover to unlock the bonus, and that means that bonus then becomes withdrawable. So that is what I'm after. Now, because I've got to go on the radio shortly, I may decide to trade after the show. I'll have a quick look and see what the markets look like. But if they're not looking any good, then I won't trade. But I might well go and trade that. Unless, of course, these two come through. If they both come through, then I won't trade. I'll leave it until Monday. We'll see what happens, because I've got a lot to do today. But I will not be videoing when I go on, but you'll either see my account up or down on the Monday. And because this is why I'm glad I've taken it up, because it's taking so long to come back down. So it might well signal, and the motion, the momentum is upwards, to be honest. So it will not surprise me if this in fact either finishes past this up here somewhere. I would not be surprised in the slightest. Even though it's dropped down now, there's a support area right here. So because of that support area, it might bounce up, and there's another support area down here. So we'll see. The trade that I'm expecting to come through, if reversals work, is this trade here anyway. So the top one going down, I'm expecting that one to come through. But if it doesn't, it means that my strategies are not working today, and it's a trend day. So let's see. Now, bearing in mind it's broken here, it's just got reached a bounce point. I would think it was going to bounce up. Okay, so this is the point it would bounce up if it's going to do anything. If it breaks through, it's not going to bounce. So let's see. Okay, so now I would expect it to go all the way down. I'm going to go down. So regardless of whether this trade wins or not, I've taken a bit of a gamble there, only because the momentum does seem to be going downwards. What I might do, if it goes down enough, let's take it back up. So I've just dropped in 2 additional trades there because the time is low. So it's just we know 2 should come through, and lucky maybe 3, but we never know. So let's see. Because it might decide to bounce back up. So the worst that can happen is that we're 2-all. The best that can happen is that we're 3-2. But let's see. Oh. Okay, so 2 was not too bad, to be fair. But I do think this is going to go back up shortly. So we're back up at 906, which is good. That's a long thing, right? So while that's doing that, and it's not due to news, right? No, there's no news, so it's the build up towards the news. So I'm going to have a quick look, see if anything else is in a similar position right now before I go. No, that's not what I want. I'm having a quick look. Aussie Canadian. No. Let's look at pound Aussie. Yeah. Not quite. No, I don't like the look of that. It looks pretty terrible, to be honest. We've done the Euro USD, Euro JPY. Nothing. Pound JPY. No, not really. There's nothing there. Finally, was a USD. No, I don't like the look at that either. No, it's really hit. Canadian JPY. Nah. Right, so basically, at the moment there's nothing that's reasonable to take, so I'm going to just bug out for now. A last one, Aussie CHF, I don't think there's anything to write home about. And we're going to leave it until later on today, and I'll go back in to see if there's anything worth taking a bit later after my show. So www.ossr, so rsalsasoul.com. I'll be on there very shortly. Oh, actually, this is... No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No. I would say going down, but I'm going to leave it. No. So today we're down from when we started. We're down by about $39. Nothing major. Quite an easy recovery, to be honest. And we're going to go back in a bit later, but I'm not going to go in on the camera because I've got other stuff to do. But you'll see on Monday either my account will be up from here or down from here. But at the moment we are well in profit. Alright. See you later, guys.